Today, I'm going to show you how to make a cell phone bag with a front pocket for a water bottle. Inside the bag, there is a small pocket, and the bag is spacious enough to carry many daily essentials. This project is made from fabric scraps you may already have at home. It's a simple and practical project. The bag comes with a long strap so it's comfortable to wear as a crossbody or sling bag. Come and sew along with me. Let's sew it together. First, we will begin by making the small pocket. Cut 2 outer pieces and 2 lining pieces. Each piece is 4.5 by 5 inches. Place the 5-inch zipper between the outer and lining fabric, then sew along the edge. Repeat the same process following the instructions in the video. The small inner pocket is now complete. Now, I'm going to make the accordion gusset for the pocket. Cut 4 pieces of outer fabric for the accordion gusset. Each piece measures 7 by 4 3/4 inches. First, I'm going to create the pattern for this piece. Once the pattern is ready, place the outer and lining fabric together, then sew along the edges. Do not sew the top edge. This opening is for turning the fabric. Top stitch around the edges of the accordion gusset to give it a neat finish. Fold the accordion gusset as shown, then attach it to the pocket and sew. In the next step, we're going to make the front pocket for the water bottle. Cut 1 outer and 1 lining piece. Each piece is 7 by 7.5 inches. Place the outer and lining together, right sides facing, and sew all the way around the edges. This is the bottom section of the water bottle pocket. Cut one round outer piece, 4 3/4 inches in diameter, fold it in half, then cut to make 2 pieces. Attach the piece to the bottom of the pocket and sew along the edge. Follow the instructions as shown in the video. For the main bag, cut 2 outer pieces and 2 lining pieces. Each piece measures 5.5 by 9 inches. Attach and sew the water bottle pocket to the main outer bag piece. Next, we will prepare the gusset for the main bag. Cut 2 outer and 2 lining pieces 20 by 1.5 inches. You will also need 1 long zipper, 20 inches. Next, follow the step-by-step instructions for the gusset and zipper as shown in the video. This is the bottom part of the bag. Cut one outer piece and one lining piece. Each piece measures 7.5 by 3.5 inches. Follow the steps according to the instructions shown in the video. Sew all around the edges, leaving a small opening to turn the fabric right side out. Sew all around the edges, leaving a small opening to turn the fabric right side out. The last step is to attach the accordion pocket inside the bag by hand sewing to make it easier. Our project for today is finally complete. I hope you enjoyed sewing along with me. See you in my next video.